What is the El Niño-La Niña drought connection? Imagine a giant ocean playing a game of weather switcheroo that can change the climate across the world. That's what El Niño and La Niña do. They are opposite patterns in the ocean and atmosphere that shake up global weather. These patterns can cause droughts in some places and floods in others. Understanding how they influence droughts helps us prepare better for water shortages and farming problems. El Niño happens when warm water builds up along the equator in the eastern Pacific Ocean. This warming weakens the trade winds that normally blow from east to west. When these winds slow down, warm water spreads eastward, changing weather patterns worldwide. During El Niño, the jet stream shifts southward, which means some areas get more rain, like California and the southwestern United States. But other regions, especially in the tropics like Indonesia and Australia, often face less rain. The warm ocean surface messes with normal rainfall, pushing moisture away from these regions. For example, during the Big El Niño in 1997, ocean waters warmed as much as 6 degrees Celsius above normal, causing major shifts in rainfall across the globe. Now, La Niña is the opposite. It occurs when cooler waters gather in the eastern Pacific Ocean. Stronger trade winds push warm water toward Asia, leaving the eastern Pacific colder. This shifts the jet stream northward, leading to dry conditions in the southern United States. Meanwhile, the Pacific Northwest and northern regions tend to get more rain. Cooler ocean surfaces mean less evaporation, so fewer storms form. This results in dry weather in places like Ecuador, Peru, and parts of the southeastern United States. The impact on droughts can be severe. During La Niña, the southwestern United States often faces long-lasting droughts. For example, from 2020 to 2023, a triple-dip La Niña caused extreme drought in Texas. Reservoir levels dropped, crops suffered, and livestock faced water shortages. These dry spells increase wildfire risks, especially in the western United States. During La Niña, vegetation dries out, making wildfires more likely. In California, the 2021 La Niña led to over 2,500,000 acres burned and thousands of structures destroyed, including the largest wildfire in California history. Droughts from these ocean patterns also cause cascading problems. Crops fail when rains don't come during planting or harvest times. Water shortages hit farms and cities, making daily life harder. The dry conditions create perfect fire fuel, leading to more wildfires. When rains finally return, they can cause mudslides in areas scarred by fires. Droughts can also raise the risk of certain diseases carried by insects or waterborne pathogens. Sometimes, droughts are followed by floods, creating complex disaster scenarios. Knowing how El Niño and La Niña influence droughts helps communities plan ahead. By watching ocean and atmospheric signals, scientists can give early warnings. This allows people to save water, protect crops, and prepare for wildfires. Still, climate change adds uncertainty, making it harder to predict how often these patterns will happen or how intense they will be. But understanding their connection to droughts is a key step in reducing disaster impacts and keeping communities safe.